Hey guys, it's Gwen, and right now we're gonna do a flashlight tutorial on light motion. So without any further ado, just create your project and name it into whatever you like. And here I'm gonna change it into flashlight. Okay guys, after creating the project, import all the clips you're gonna need. After importing the clips, don't forget to crop and refit the clips. Okay guys, now add an effect. Go to distortion and wrap and add tiles. Add another effect. Go to blur and add motion blur. Add the same effect to the second clip. For this edit, it's all up to you, but here I'm gonna use a zoom transition for the effect. And now duplicate the clips where you want to put the flashes on. Here I'm going to put the flash on the second clip, so I'm duplicating the second clip. Now add an effect on the second layer. Go to blur and add inner blur. Here you don't need to do anything. Now go to the layer and add light and screen. And for this part, you don't need to do anything again, just play with the keyframes. You can follow my keyframe settings or making it your own. It's all up to you. And don't forget to add graphs. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add the flash on the first clip too. So I'm gonna do the same thing like I do on the second clip. Add inner blur and change the blending and opacity into lighten and screen. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.